Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I am your news host Parvati Nirban and let's get into the world of crypto with English News Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Basel Committee may unveil crypto banking rules this year. Cryptocurrencies trade mixed. Bitcoin trades above $31,800. CoinShares losses from Terra slide hit $21.4 million. Polkadot's Moonbeam adds liquid staking giant Lido. SkyMavis unveils first user-generated games for Axie Infinity. Russian central bank indicates agreement with crypto law. Dental brand buys land in Sandbox for virtual dentistry. China's Supreme Court calls for blockchain integration in the judicial system. Taking note of the recent development in the cryptocurrencies market, the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision said that the norms governing banks' exposure to crypto assets will be completed this year. The global banking standards setter last year proposed rules requiring lenders to hold $1 in capital for each $1 of crypto held. The proposal faced opposition from the likes of JP Morgan Chase and Deutsche Bank, on view of that the standards were overly stringent. The committee plans to publish another consultation paper over the coming month with a view to finalizing the prudential treatment around the end of this year, the Basel panel said. Since 2008, the Basel, Switzerland-based organization has steadily toughened banks' capital requirements to avoid a repeat of the financial crisis. Cryptocurrencies traded mixed as investors turned cautious and selective following the weekend rally. Bitcoin climbed to near $32,000 in early morning trades. Optimism over riskier assets dropped, with stocks breaking a short winning streak as investors weighed central banks' approach to tame rising prices and a decline in the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index. The tech-heavy Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 all fell less than a percentage point. Annual inflation in Eurozone countries climbed in May to 8.1% annually, its highest level since the launch of the euro currency. Brent crude oil, a widely regarded measure of energy markets, jumped to over $116 per barrel. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $31,800, up over 1% in past 24 hours. Bitcoin has risen nearly 8% over the last nearly 4 days. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded at around $1,900, down nearly 2% in similar time span. However, Cardano's native token ADA traded over 5% higher amid a rise in the issuance of native assets on the network and the upcoming Basel hard fork, a network upgrade expected in June that would increase scaling capabilities. Investment firm CoinShares said its Europe's largest digital asset firm recorded an exceptional loss of $21.4 million from its exposure to Terra's UST token, the firm said in its annual report, calling it a humbling lesson. The firm's CEO, Jean-Marie Mognetti, said in the report that CoinShares does not take directional position and was not directly exposed to the Luna price collapse. But the firm, which is active in the decentralized finance space, was running a book with exposure to UST, he added. The loss from liquidating its holdings in UST amounted to £17 million, equivalent to about $21.4 million. The CEO said that the Terra situation, a battle scar that I will personally never forget, adding that the company implemented additional controls to better anticipate and mitigate future events. Moonbeam, a Polkadot-based platform, has partnered with Lido, a staking derivatives platform that allows users to stake cryptocurrencies. Polkadot will allow cryptocurrency owners who will support the proof of stake network to earn additional yield in decentralized finance apps through staking. Mixbytes, a blockchain auditing and staking specialist, assisted Lido in providing liquid staking to Polkadot holders of Polkadot's native cryptocurrency. DOT can stake their assets in the form of Axie, a cross-chain DOT, and obtain a ST dot, a stake dot, token in exchange. Both Axie dot and ST dot are XC20 tokens, a Moonbeam created token standard for compatibility with Ethereum virtual machine and Polkadot powered substrate framework. SkyMavis has unveiled the first projects accepted in its Builders program, an initiative that introduces user-generated content in the Axie Infinity ecosystem. The Builders program rewards community developers who help grow the blockchain-based Axie Infinity ecosystem and strengthen the Axie Infinity's community's ability to create gaming experience and tools on top of Axie. The Builders program serves as a laboratory for community-created games and experiences. As the list of Axie-related games expands, Axie NFTs will turn into tickets that can be used as universal sign-in to an expanding world of experiences. SkyMavis said community co-creation is guiding North Star of the Axie Infinity ecosystem and will be fundamental driver of scale value generation over time. First Deputy Governor of Russian Central Bank Mr. Senya stated Tuesday that the bank is open to using cryptocurrencies for international payments and added that the bank was reconsidering its position on crypto mining as well. The bank official announced domestic bank regulation, which seems to be a concession to the legislators preparing a new version of the law on digital currency. Economic Development Ministry official Anatoly Dyubenov said at the United Russia event that the provision to allow international trading in cryptocurrency is an innovation and adding it to the law is a matter of expediency. Since the imposition of new sanctions on the Russian Federation in connection with its invasion of Ukraine, support for cryptocurrency has grown within the government. Russia's purpose is expanding the use of cryptocurrency internationally is pretty unclear. And as the use of digital assets does not affect the terms of the sanctions affecting the country, nor the risk involved for sanction breakers. British dental group Dental Design Studio became the first brand to buy land in Metaverse to practice dentistry. The dental practice group purchased plots of land to build interactive mirror images of its surgeries in the Sandbox. On the land, users or the patients would be to customize their avatars right down to their teeth. Patients would be able to sit in a dentist chair, talk to staff and doctors, and get consultations inside the Metaverse. The group plans to build brand awareness and advertising opportunities using the Metaverse. China's Supreme People's Court of China issued a proposal calling for the local judicial system to mass adopt blockchain technology to build up connections between courts across the country by 2025. The proposal for blockchain adoption extends to the financial sector and the government departments. In a document released last week, the court informed that 2.2 billion judicial transactions have already been recorded on the blockchain. The Apex Court sees a number of benefits of integrating blockchain. It includes judicial credibility, facilitating social governance, preventing and resolving risk, promoting high-quality development, tamper-proof verification, and sharing of judicial data, legal documents and reports, and so on. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates of crypto world, don't forget to watch English News Bulletin twice a day only on Crypto TV. I'm your news host Parvati Nirvan signing off for now. See you tomorrow same time. Have a wonderful day today. Ta-da!